Hi everyone, it's Gus, and today I'm going to be taking a look at setting up a Wi-Fi dongle with Raspbian. If you haven't already installed Raspbian, you can check out my guide on how to do that here. First, I'm going to show you how to connect to Wi-Fi using the Raspbian interface. Now, you will need to make sure you have a Wi-Fi dongle connected to one of the USB ports. If you have the older version of Raspbian, first head up to Preferences and then select Wi-Fi Configuration. In here, select Scan, and then double click on your Wi-Fi network. In my case, it is Funkytown. Now in here, simply update any of the options so that it is the same as your own network. In my case, everything is correct. Now in the PSKE field, simply add the password for the network. In my case, it's PiMyLifeUp. Now click Add and then Close. Now click on Connect and it should now connect to your network. It will display the IP address for your Pi here. If it doesn't display the IP, then go to Manage Networks and select Edit, and then this will take you back to the page before and let you correct any settings that may be wrong. If you have the latest version of Raspbian, simply go up to the symbol that has two computers in the upper right corner. Once you click on this, it will scan for networks. Wait for about 20 seconds and your network should show up. Once it shows, select your network, and then enter your password, and then it should connect. Now if for some reason you don't have access to the Pi GUI or you prefer to use the terminal, then you can easily do it this way. Simply log in and enter the following command: sudo nano/etc/wpa supplicant/wpa-supplicant.conf. In here, add the following lines, replacing Funkytown with your network name and PiMyLifeUp with your Wi-Fi password. Once done, type Ctrl+X, then Y to save and exit. Now the Pi should automatically detect the change. If it doesn't, enter sudo if down wlan 0, then sudo if up wlan 0. To check that it is all connected, simply enter ifconfig wlan 0 and the inet ADDR field should have an IP address in it. If it doesn't have an IP address in it, then you haven't successfully connected to a network. If you want to use the scan feature in terminal, the following command will list all the available networks. Sudo iwlist wlan 0 scan. Check the SSID field for the network name, and then you can use this in the previous steps. I hope this has helped you set up your Wi-Fi. If you're still having trouble, please check out PiMyLifeUp.com for more information. Also, feel free to drop a comment below or on the website. Looking for something new to do? Check out these awesome 21 Raspberry Pi projects that anyone can do. Don't forget to subscribe so you can stay up to date with the latest and greatest projects, guides and much more.